some more mass mole practice. We're going between moles and mass of uranium hexafluoride, so we're going to need our formula weight. Uranium's a very heavy element, 237. Now we only have 3 Sig Figs for uranium from our periodic table. Hopefully it's not going to impact us much. Fluorine, 6. Now when we add these together, we can only report our answer to the ones place, because we don't know anything beyond the decimal point for uranium. So we only have 3 Sig Figs for this formula weight. So we can write our 2 conversion factors. And we go back to the statement of the question. And here's our number with its unit, so we'll copy that over. We have 3.69 moles, and we want to use the conversion factor that has moles in the denominator so they cancel out. So every mole is equivalent to 351 grams. This indicates multiplication. Moles over moles cancel, and we end up with a value of 1295.19 grams. Let's consider Sig Figs. 3 Sig Figs and 3 Sig Figs. So we're going to want our answer to be expressed in 3 Sig Figs. In this case, we're going to have to use scientific notation. So if we convert this entire number to scientific notation, we have 1.29519 times 10 to the third grams. We know that because we had to get a number between 1 and 10, we have to move the decimal point 3 spaces, and this number is greater than 1, so that's that number expressed correctly in scientific notation. Now we can go ahead and worry about our significant figures. We want 3 Sig Figs, so we can't go beyond that 9. That 5 means we're going to have to round up. We add 1 to the preceding decimal, which is going to make this go from 1.29 times 10 to the third to 1.30 times 10 to the third grams. And when you have a problem like this, use extra concentration to make sure you don't lose this exponential part. Okay, the next problem involves nitric oxide. We need its formula weight. So we have a number of 30.01 grams per mole for the nitric oxide. You can go ahead and write 2 conversion factors. 30.01 grams is equivalent to a mole, and a mole is equivalent to 30.01 grams. We'll go back to the question statement to see the number and units that were given to determine the conversion factor we need. We want to cancel out units of grams, so we use a unit conversion factor that has grams in the denominator. 30.01 grams is equivalent to a mole. This indicates division. When we do this division, our calculator answer is 11.51616, and our unit is moles, because grams cancels out. Let's look at Sig Figs. We look at all the numbers that go into our result. This has 4 sig figs. This also has 4 sig figs, so we can use 4 sig figs in our result. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to stop after the 1. The first number that we drop is greater than 5, so we're going to be rounding up, and our final answer is 11.52 moles. The next problem involves galactose. I want you to check on your own, and you should be able to confirm that the formula weight of a galactose is 180.18 grams per mole. So we have two conversion factors. 180.18 grams is equivalent to a mole, and we have a mole is equivalent to 180.18 grams. To determine the conversion factor we need to use, we go to a statement of the question. So we write down the number with its unit, 0.348 moles, and we want to multiply by a conversion factor that's going to get rid of units of moles, cancel them out, so we're going to use that one. 180.18 grams is equivalent to a mole. This indicates we're doing multiplication in this problem. When we do that, our calculator answer 62.70264. Looking at sig figs, we have 3 sig figs because that leading 0 does not count. This number has 5 sig figs because that captive 0 counts. And we're limited to 3 sig figs in our answer. We round down, and our final answer is 62.7 grams. And we can confirm we have the correct units. All right, this next problem is also going to involve a formula weight. If we calculated the formula weight, and please confirm this, we would find that this formula weight for vitamin C is equal to 176.14 grams per mole. That allows us to write two versions of a conversion factor. And we have 176.14 grams as equivalent to a mole, and we know that a mole is equivalent to 176.14 grams. We go back to the initial question statement to see the number and the units that we start with, which is 4.9 times 10 to the minus 2 moles. And we need a conversion factor that's going to cancel out moles. So 176.14 grams is equivalent to a mole. Moles cancel, and this indicates multiplication. Working out our calculator answer is 8.63086 grams. So now sig figs, 2 sig figs, 5 sig figs. We want 2 sig figs. That's all we can justify in our answer. The first number we drop is below 5, so we round down, and our answer is 8.6 grams.